Okay, so there was a lot of demand for this particular batch called as Python with DSA. We all know that DSA is important for a fresher and sometime even for an experienced person. So when you are going to apply for a product-based companies, we already have a batches for Python in Hindi and English. We have recorded courses as well in a free mode for Python. But people was expecting that we can come and discuss about this entire things in a live mode. So keeping that in a mind, here is a batch, guys. So this batch will be available in Hindi as of now. We'll try to bring it in English as well. And we are trying to start this batch on 15th of January. Wednesday and Thursday is going to be the class timing. And this is the actual timing 9 p.m. IST to 10:30 p.m. IST. Price of this particular batch is very nominal, so just 2000 rupees, and with Euron Plus you don't have to go and buy this particular batch separately. And syllabus by syllabus is amazing. So if you can go through this entire syllabus, you will be amazed that we have mentioned each and everything, we have integrated each and everything whatever is required to learn DSA with Python. And then obviously, like after discussing about all of these algorithms and all the concept with respect to a Python in a theoretical way, in a practical way, so we have integrated some of the projects. So building a recommendation system project and then solving a scheduling problem. So these are the two projects which you will be able to find out inside this Python with DSA batches. And at the end of the day, we are going to talk about interview preparation. So what should be your problem solving strategy? Because many of us try to struggle with the problem solving strategy or in terms of building a logic. So obviously, after going through all of these batches, after doing a lot of hands-on and a practical, so we are going to talk about this problem solving strategy, edge cases, debugging, and mock coding interviews, solving a common problem with a DSA and a Python, tips and tricks for a DSA interview, how to crack it. And obviously, we'll talk about a resume and your final interview preparation. So it's an amazing batch, guys. It's an amazing batch. And yes, so whatever is required as per the industry standard. So we have already mentioned each and everything for this particular batch. So hope all of you are going to enjoy it. And with the Euron Plus, you don't have to go and buy. It's fine. Just one subscription for an entire year. Just enjoy each and everything. And here, you're on courses tab. You will be able to find out a list of all the courses which we have listed down, which we have launched in a live mode and into a self-placed mode. So just go and enjoy, guys. Simple. Yeah. So we have tons of batches over here, and that too with one single subscription. Try to access all of these things as much as you can. With that, thank you so much, everyone. See you again in my next video.